Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use thread feature. If you see this thread, not like bolt in general we use. See? Just do like this. Delete this feature. Yes. Go to this arrow or wizard. Click thread feature. Now you have a parameter. In thread location, click this edge. We check offset, change the direction, in end condition, choose blind and make the distance is 22. We choose type is metric and size M10 times 1.5. Check extrude thread. Check mirror profile. Choose mirror horizontally. And now, in thread option, check thread width start face and check trim width end face. Like this. And click OK. See? See? Now you know how to use thread feature. Z is quick tips. See ya!